So some interesting observations about tensioners. So this is the OEM one, and right here it was leaking oil. I cleaned it off. It's at 70,000 miles, but a lot of miles with the supercharger. This is the one that I ripped that off. So I scavenged the washer and the insert from that to put a fresh one in when I had remounted the OEM. This is the Tuscara or whatever. I ordered 2 tensioners just to see whichever one came that seemed better is the one I'd use. This does not seem like the better one. The biggest thing I noticed on this one that I snapped the thing off, these inserts don't spin, or basically, yeah, I can't spin them with my thumbs. That's supposed to spin on both sides. There's like an insert here, and it basically doesn't. This one, it spins better than this one, but it's still not great. This one that came this morning actually seems like the best one. Spins a little more freely. And then the other thing I noticed is it has the washer in a reverse configuration, so that the weaker looking part of the washer will actually be against the engine block. And then this part will be on the outside, which actually seems more stable. I thought that was quite interesting. Other than that, they look pretty dang similar, so we'll see. Also, it turns out if you take off the side motor mount, it's really easy to get to the hole and put in the new tensioner.